Hey, there we go. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 2018 Sleep Out Saturday.
It has been a life-changing experience for myself and for my youth group.
And I realize that just because we live in DuPage County doesn't mean that everyone is wealthy. I have the means to be able to help, and I have the means to be able to energize others to help, and that's why we do Sleep Out Saturday.
You're going through the same thing that these people just like you go through every day. Like, it makes you more appreciative for what you have.
Most families are like one paycheck away from losing their house. Now, I don't know, I've been fortunate that, I've worked steady all my life and been able to have a place, but not everybody does.
Not everybody is as fortunate as us, and not everybody has like a roof to sleep under.
Even if it's freezing cold outside, that you have nothing to do, you can't go to some place that's warm.
It has been absolutely life-changing.